Hey everybody, it's Marcus with you from Fit Culture, and today we're going to discuss low back pain. The number one question I get as a personal trainer is how do I prevent low back pain, or what are the best exercises? So today we're going to show you guys 3 exercises from Stu McGill, who's the leading health back expert, and the exercise he recommends for reducing low back pain. Number 1 is the McGill sit-up, number 2 is the side bridge, and number 3 is the bird dog. So here we are with the first exercise, the McGill partial curl up. I have Jesse here demoing for me. So I'm just going to ask him for the first step. You're going to bend one knee. Perfect. Okay, next step. What we want to do is take our hands, clasping them together and in the small part of your back. Perfect. Now we have the hips and the lumbar spine and their natural curvature. Next step is we're going to do is focus on the breath, and then you're going to also engage the abdominals. So what I'm going to get you to do, Jesse, is just going to pull in your abs just a little bit, about 20 or 30% effort. Perfect. And then the next step we're going to do is you're going to engage your core. It's ready to go. We're going to lift your head up and shoulders just about 10 to 15 degrees. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then return back down. What we want to do is hold that for about a 5-second hold, anywhere from 3 to 5 repetitions. The greatest benefit to this exercise is that it isolates and strengthens the abdominals without engaging other muscles and compensating with other muscle groups helping out. So it's a great exercise for reducing low back pain and strengthening abdominals. Okay guys, here we have the second exercise. It's the side bridge. And what I'm going to do is I have Jesse lying on his side. So what we're going to do is get your elbow placed first right under your shoulder. Good. And then from this position here, he's going to disperse some weight on his outside of his leg and primarily his forearm. Pushing away from the floor, what he's going to do is push his shoulder and elbow away. And then at the same time, he's going to contract his glutes and hips and lift up off the floor. So let's get you to do that, Jesse. Push up and hold. We're going to hold for a period of 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back down. Once he's completed a 10-second break, he repeats and holds for another 10 seconds for a total of 3 rounds. The next exercise, it's the bird dog. Excellent for creating core stability. What we want to do is have Jesse here starting on his hands and knees. And what we're going to do is work the body contralaterally, meaning the opposite hip to the shoulder. And what we're trying to focus on is making sure that the low back is nice and stable. You can take any water bottle, place it right on the low back there to make sure that it stays level, nice and even. It's not rocking side to side or falling off. So we're going to start without that next. Jesse, what you're going to do is you're going to take your left shoulder and right hip and you're going to contract those and extend them forward and back. So let's go for that. Good, nice and slow, stable. His low back is looking nice and strong. And then slowly lower back down. And for the next repetition, we're going to alternate sides. So opposite shoulder and opposite leg. Good, nice and controlled. Bring that down nice and slow. And then alternate, repeat to the other side. So you can alternate repeating sides up to 10 repetitions each time. Take a short break and repeat for 3 rounds.